Hello guys, it's Galib for Gaming here, and today I decided it's time to make a little channel update video. In this video we're gonna talk about the future of this channel and what I have planned for this channel. So the first thing I want to talk about is you've probably seen my last video which I uploaded a week ago. It was a kind of short stream intro. That means that I'm gonna start streaming soon. So the first stream will probably be on Friday next week, so on 8th of July. I'm gonna let you guys know exactly when the stream's gonna be in the next video. After the first stream, so probably next Friday, I will stream regularly. So that means maybe 2-3 times a week. I'll make like a small schedule so you guys can keep up with the streams. Then the next thing I want to talk about in this video is I have for the PC guys, I have two new PC builds coming soon. The first one's gonna be coming in the upcoming week, so probably next week around Thursday, and the next one probably the week after. If you guys want to know, it's gonna be a 450 euro gaming PC build, and if you guys don't want to miss it, make sure to click the subscribe button below. For the airsoft guys, I also have some news. I haven't made a airsoft video in quite some time now, except from those unboxings. Like 2 months ago, I bought a new gun. I sold the old one and I bought a G&G CM16 Wildhawk 13.5 inch, and basically what happened is the gun died 2 weeks after I bought it. So I don't really recommend buying the gun because I've had this experience. I've also watched some videos and other guys don't really recommend it. The GC16, which is the full metal version of this gun, is actually quite a lot better, and if you're going with this gun, go with the full metal version. So I've sent the broken gun back along with the broken magazines, because I've got 10 G&G magazines which costed me 114 euros, and none of them worked, actually fitted BBs as they were supposed to. I even lubricated them with some oil and shit, but nothing helped. So I've sent those back and I'm waiting for something else to arrive back. So I'm gonna get some other gun and shit like this, and I'm gonna make some more airsoft video. I've also, for the airsoft guys, bought this this thing right here. This is a, I don't know which company, but it is a MB03, I think from CYMA. I'm gonna be upgrading this sniper rifle step by step. My goal is kinda get it to 500 FPS, and it has to work perfect. It has to hit targets at 60 meters in one shot. So that's all actually about airsoft. I'm gonna make a lot of videos on this gun. Every upgrade video I'm gonna film. We're gonna do the upgrades together. I'm probably also gonna make a how to paint your airsoft rifle video, because I'm probably painting this sniper, and also I'll probably be making a sniper loadout, but this is gonna be in about 2 months from now. This is basically it for this video. That's all I wanted to say. One more thing is the video upload schedule won't change for now. So this means I'll upload 1 or maybe 2 videos a week on this channel. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and press that like button. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions or thoughts about the video, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, bros.